The ratio of the sum of the m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Then find the ratio of the terms, basically Tm and Tn means ratio of the mth term and nth term. What is given? Sum of the m and n terms. Sum means what? Sn, right? See the difference. Term is different and sum is different. So we have been given the ratio of the sums, right? Okay. So Tm is to Tn we have to find out, and Sm is to Sn is given. Okay. So T1 equals to A, common difference equals to D. We are assuming this. We have to find A and D then. Therefore Tm equals to A plus m minus 1 into D. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore Tm upon Tm equals to A plus m minus 1 into D upon A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now this is what we have to find out, our target. Okay. Now Sm. Sm equals to m upon 2 into 2A plus m minus 1 into D, right? This formula, n upon 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into D, right? Okay. So m upon 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into D. Similarly, Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now divide this again. Sm upon Sn equals to m upon n. See this 2 gone. M upon n into 2a plus m minus 1 into D upon 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. But what is Sm upon Sn? It's already given. The sum is m square upon n square. So m square upon n square equals to m upon n equal into 2a plus m minus 1 into D upon 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now m square m gone, n square n gone. So m upon n equals to this again, 2a plus m minus 1 into D, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Next is very important now. See this. M upon n means this is mth term, this is nth term, right? Mn. Now if I replace this m by 2m minus 1 and n by 2n minus 1 everywhere, what will happen? See this. 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 equals to 2a 2a same as it is. Now instead of m again 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1, this minus 1 into D upon 2n minus 1 into D. So solve this. 2a plus 2m minus 2 into D upon 2a plus 2n minus 2 into D. So 2 common. So it becomes again 2 common. 2 upon 2 into a plus m minus 1 into D upon a plus n minus 1 into D, right? And here left hand side is same, 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. 2 gone. Okay. But what is this? A plus m minus 1 into D. That is Tn, right? Because nth term or mth term is given by what? A plus m minus 1 into D. Therefore this is Tm and this is Tn. Therefore it becomes Tm upon Tn equals to this 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. That is the required answer. Okay. Next, if x not equal to y and the sequences x, a1, a2,